Have you ever wondered why understanding genomic data is so crucial? Well, let's delve into that. Genomic data is like a detailed roadmap of life. It's the blueprint that makes us who we are, and it's teeming with information that can illuminate our health, our susceptibility to certain diseases, and even our ancestral history. Imagine being able to predict your risk for certain health conditions or understanding your genetic heritage. That's the power that understanding genomic data can offer. But the potential doesn't stop there. Genomic data is also paving the way for personalized medicine, a cutting-edge approach to healthcare that tailors treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup. In essence, it's a medical revolution in the making, and it's all rooted in our understanding of genomic data. Unlocking the mysteries of genomic data can open doors to a plethora of insights about ourselves and the world around us. So let's take this journey together, shall we? To dive into the depths of genomic data, one key tool we employ is cluster analysis. Now, what is cluster analysis? Imagine you have a basket full of various fruits. Cluster analysis is like organizing these fruits based on their similarities. Apples with apples, oranges with oranges, and so on. The same principle applies to genomic data. Cluster analysis is a statistical method that groups or clusters data points that are similar to each other. But how do we define similarity in data? Well, in the realm of genomics, similarity could mean a multitude of things. It could be the expression levels of certain genes, the presence or absence of specific genomic sequences, or even the shared traits between different organisms. For instance, let's consider you're examining the DNA of several different species. Using cluster analysis, you could group these species based on shared genetic traits, such as the presence of a specific gene sequence. This grouping could help identify relationships between the species, making it easier to understand their evolutionary history. In essence, cluster analysis helps us to simplify and organize the massive amounts of information present in genomic data. It's like creating a map that helps us navigate through the vast genetic landscape, identifying landmarks, or in this case, similar data points, along the way. So, cluster analysis is our secret weapon to make sense of the vast and complex world of genomic data. Now, how does cluster analysis apply to genomic data? Well, imagine the genome as a vast, intricate puzzle. Each piece, a gene, has a specific role, and finding where it fits can be a daunting task. This is where cluster analysis steps in. By examining large sets of genomic data, cluster analysis groups together genes that exhibit similar behavior. This could mean genes that are expressed at similar levels or genes that respond similarly to certain conditions. By identifying these groups, we can begin to understand their function. For instance, a cluster of genes that are active during cell division might be involved in this process. But that's not all. Cluster analysis can also reveal unexpected connections between genes. For instance, if two genes tend to be active at the same time and they're found in the same cluster, there might be a functional relationship between them. This can lead to the discovery of new genetic links to diseases. Let's consider a practical example. In cancer research, cluster analysis has been instrumental in identifying groups of genes that are overactive in tumor cells. This has not only deepened our understanding of cancer, but has also paved the way for the development of targeted therapies. Through cluster analysis, the intricate language of genomes begins to unravel, offering us invaluable insights into life's blueprint. So, what have we discovered on this journey into the realm of genomic data and cluster analysis? Well, we've established the critical role of genomic data in our understanding of life's blueprint. We've learned how this data can reveal fascinating insights about our health, disease susceptibility, and even ancestry. We've also delved into how cluster analysis serves as a powerful tool in deciphering this complex data. By grouping similar data together, it simplifies our interpretation, allowing us to detect patterns that might otherwise remain hidden. We've touched upon how the application of cluster analysis in genomics can lead to significant advancements in personalized medicine and disease prevention. It can help us understand why some people are more prone to certain diseases while others are not. We've only just scratched the surface of the potential that lies within genomic data and cluster analysis. Remember, each strand of genomic data is a story waiting to be told, and with cluster analysis, we're one step closer to understanding these narratives.